Hey, what's up, goats? So I chose to go with the Altmill. I was looking at the long mill, the Shapeoko 4x4, simply because of the closed stepper motors, the price, and the lead time significantly dropped from 5 to 7 weeks. So I pulled the trigger and purchased it on July 22nd. And I got an email a couple of days ago saying that it's going to be here Wednesday, according to the UPS tracker. And I'm now realizing that I made a huge mistake. As you can see, I'm standing in my garage. It's a used garage where, I parked a Harley. This space right here is dedicated to my wife's vehicle. And when I do any kind of work, I just move it into place, like my table saw and any of my other tools. But as you can see, it's a little messy right now, but I kind of shove it all in the corner. And then when I need it's no big deal, but when I need the tools, I just move it out. Got the wood rack right there. But the 4x4 takes up a lot of space, and I don't have room in here to keep it a functional garage because I was thinking where my tool boxes are to kind of like move those out of the way, maybe move it to the other side of the wall. But the machine sticks out like 62 inches according to their site. Don't quote me, but I think it's in that price range. And I just won't have the room, with that bump out to park the Harley, and then and for my wife to have her space, so she can park when she gets home from work. Here in South Carolina, it rains a lot, so I really like the fact that she's able to just pull right in to the garage, and she'll be all right with that. So I think I have no choice but to bring the CNC, the machine, once it arrives, and bring it into the shed. Now I do have a shed, but sorry, the Roomba is going. Step over that. I do have a shed, but it was simply just for storage. Great, it's raining right now, but that's my shed out there. I'm gonna run over there. All right, sorry about that, but this is my shed. And as you can see, we store things in here, lawn equipment, dog grooming stuff, holiday stuff, and just some things that we just tuck away up there. But I'm thinking to turn that space right here into the CNC working area. Sorry about the little raindrops. I'm not sure if it's on the camera or not, but it's on my screen here. So as you can see, there's no lights in here. There's no insulation, no floors, no electricity. So when it arrives, I'm gonna have to set it up and gotta figure out a way to get some power here. Maybe I'll call an electrician and start getting some quotes so we can get that thing rolling. But yeah, so this is gonna be the future home where the Altmill is gonna hang out. Who knows, maybe this will become the dream workshop that I never actually dreamt of. So we'll see. So stay tuned, folks. Thanks for watching.